All right, so there's like 4 things kind of that are like our kind of foundational things that we are like our exclusive offers. So the first thing like Pacific does is we say we're never going to be late to customers, although it does happen. But if we're late, basically, we give the customer a $50 credit. All right, so always keep that on mind. That's on our trucks. That's on everything. So on time or us guarantee. So if you're late, you got to give the customer a $50 credit. All right. 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So if a customer's really pissed off, if they're really not happy, we try and make them happy. We go back, we fix it, we play with it, we spend time. If they're really not happy, they can have their money back. All right. But that takes a while to get to that point. But again, we want to keep the customer happy. So there's no fighting, there's no yelling, there's none of that. Just take it back, have a nice day. We have what we call referral rewards. So if a customer refers us to their friend or their family member or something, we basically give them money towards their account. We give them a credit on their account. So if they give us a service customer, they get a $50 credit. An install, they get a $100 credit. So like new guys building an area, Alex, Mason, you could suggest this as you're going around to customers, you know, like, hey, if you recommend us to a friend, you get a $50 credit. If you recommend us, you get a $50 credit. You know, if you do that 10 times a day, 100 times a week, whatever, you're going to pick up a lot of customers. The cool thing about this is this money doesn't come out of your pockets, okay? It comes out of like the fund that you pay into, okay? So it's not coming directly out of your pocket. So you can give, your customers could give 1,000 of these away a year, and it's not coming out of your direct pocket.
It comes out of the advertising fund.
Yeah.
Okay, that's where that really does come out of. So don't think that, oh my God, I'm losing $100 because they referred me. No, that'd be a negative. It comes out of that fund, and everybody contributes to that because it helps the whole company grow. Okay, same thing with the on time on us. Don't be too scared of this. This is great for marketing. This is what the company stands by. People love it because they know we're going to show up. It keeps you guys on point that you are going to show up. But when we're busy and you're packed in the springtime, if you're late to a customer and they want the money, Donna's going to make that, and Christina are going to make that judgment call and say, hey, look, the guy was packed. We'll pick that up through the advertising budget, and you won't be responsible for it. We want you to stay on point, but don't take this as a negative or say to a customer, I got to run out of here because I'll be late to my... Remember, treat the customer with respect. Don't take this as a negative. Like we said, as we're busy, especially here in the spring, Donna's going to make that call.
The other thing we offer is called price match guarantee, okay? That's going to be more for larger jobs, installations, larger renovations. What we say is we'll basically match any other company's price that you get. Now, we're obviously not just going to match a price out of nowhere. They need to provide us with the estimate. We need to see it. We need to see the company. We need to make sure it's a legitimate company. But if you're selling larger jobs, you can use this to your advantage. The point of it is that it gets you back in another conversation with the customer. If you leave and say, you know, by the way, just so you know, since you're getting other prices, we do offer price match. I'll look at that quote. I'll get it. You get to see the competitor's quote, and it gives you a chance to kind of try and negotiate. So if you ever come into that, it'll kind of come through me and Steve first. We'll help guide you through it and talk you through it. But
later on, I'm going to take you guys through a couple of these, whether it's today or tomorrow. I'm just going to show you how to analyze them quickly. It's so simple to take another company's quote, analyze it, and just have a game plan on how to attack that customer and how to understand the price difference between it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We'll analyze it, and we'll come up with rebuttals to talk to the customer to get them on the same, on the same page.